Streamline your lead generation and email marketing by seamlessly connecting GetResponse to your WordPress website. Unlocking powerful automation never been easier. First, we'll navigate to your WordPress dashboard. The most common and user-friendly method for integration is by utilizing a dedicated plugin. So, let's head to the plugin section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in GetResponse. This will bring up the official GetResponse integration plugin. Look for the one developed by GetResponse itself, as it's usually the most stable and up-to-date. Once you've found it, click the Install Now button. WordPress will download and install the plugin for you. After the installation is complete, you'll see an Activate button. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin's functionality on your WordPress site. Now, you should see a new menu item appear in your WordPress sidebar, typically labeled GetResponse. Click on this to access the plugin settings. Inside the GetResponse plugin settings, you'll find a section to enter your API key. This key is what allows your WordPress site to communicate with your GetResponse account. To get your API key, you'll need to log into your GetResponse account and navigate to the settings section, usually found by clicking on your profile icon or a gear symbol. Look for Integrations or API and Auth. Within the API section, you'll either find an existing API key or the option to generate a new one. Copy this key carefully. Ensure you're not accidentally sharing it publicly. Return to your WordPress dashboard and paste the copied API key into the designated field within the GetResponse plugin settings and click Save or Connect. With the integration active, you can now start creating forms and Signup boxes directly within WordPress, powered by GetResponse, to capture leads. These leads will automatically be added to your chosen GetResponse list, ready for your automated email campaigns. You've successfully connected GetResponse to WordPress, unlocking powerful marketing tools.